If you're into gardening and you want to come to the show, the booths are all about gardening. They have stuff that people who are interested in gardening care about. If you want to work in the yard and do things in your garden, this is the show to come to.
What is the Flower and Garden Show? Well, for us, it's the largest flower and garden show that we get to display our bonsais at here in Boise or in the state of Idaho. For us, it's good to see all the smiling faces and get out and be face to face with people, see the excitement.
So we love Boise Flower and Garden Show because it is like the official kickoff of the spring season, and everybody's ready to go, get outdoors and get into their garden. And this is kind of like the official starting point for everybody to get the juices flowing.
The people that exhibit at the Boise Flower and Garden Show always have some of the newest things.
So don't hesitate if you don't know what you're doing. It's a community of makers that are happy to help you.
It's a great place to get inspiration about spring, and if you're just not quite sure whether to take the trip, I would totally recommend it.
Learn a few things that you didn't know before, get to experience some excitement with what we have to offer. Come and understand how you can be successful with gardening or bonsai or both.
The value to people is they learn what grows in their own area, and so they see things that are going to be available. They get to meet companies and people that have products and services available.
And it's been going absolutely amazing. There's so many gorgeous displays, so many wonderful people here. We're very excited.
You're going to have all day long flows of people who are asking questions about what you're doing and checking out products that you have to offer and even giving you some feedback. It's really useful for that.
This year the event has been fantastic. Lots of people, lots of excitement. The weather's great, the venue's great.
Well, I think gardening is important to a lot of people, especially because it's a form of therapy. I mean, it's a form of relaxation. You get to come out there and be productive, create something, and there's literally something for everybody here, whether it's just the atmosphere or you're actually looking to buy something.
If you're hesitant about participating in the event, joining, sponsoring, come by, check it out, see what it's like, but don't hesitate. It's been absolutely wonderful.
The vendors that you guys have brought in are fantastic to go along with the gardening, lifestyle that Idaho offers. So if you plan accordingly and get down here, it's a great time.